In this video, I'll show you how to A/B test automated workflow SMS. You can see here a report where we've got a message reporting tag and we've got some stats here on how many people replied to that message. This allows you to have variants of a workflow SMS. For example, I could have intro SMS 1 and intro SMS 2. I could then randomize whether a particular contact gets SMS 1 or SMS 2, and then I could have a look and see what is the reply rate for variant 1 versus variant 2. That would then help me to decide, okay, it looks like variant 2 is better. I'm going to put a lot more SMS into that one because it seems like people like that SMS and reply to it. The way that you can configure this is, first of all, when you're making your workflow SMS, you need to add an additional field called message reporting tag. And here you just type some text. It doesn't really matter what format it is. Whatever you choose here is going to show up in the reports. But it means then that after you've got these messages being sent out, each of the messages that is sent out will have this tag. And that therefore allows you to have a report like this. Let me show you how I configured the report. I've got the latest version of the CRM. I'm a partner, so I've got the bleeding edge version. Your user interface may look a little bit different to this, but the general idea is that we want to have the following fields included. We want the message reporting tag, and we want the message recipient replied. With those two, and also with a filter where status is delivered, that will allow us to make this report. If you're on the old version of the reporting system, then you'll want to use a matrix report. If you're on the new version, then initially it will have all of the messages shown. In my case, that's really overwhelming because I've got 54,000 messages that have been sent out. But then I'll click on show details and remove the detail rows because I just care about the aggregate numbers. In terms of how you would do the A/B testing, the randomization, you could do something where if you had a auto number field, which I have, lead number, I could do something like lead number contains 1, or lead number, I can just do all the odd numbers basically. If I did that, then that should allow some degree of randomization. And then after that, if I had two variants of the message, I'd be able to then look at the reply stats, figure out which message performs better, and ditch the message that doesn't perform so well. Hope that helps you to be able to A/B test your automated message campaigns.